Hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Are you looking for a free VPN that gives you unlimited internet, helps you unblock websites, change your IP location, and ensures a secure connection, all with minimal battery and RAM usage? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to introduce you to Stark VPN Reloaded, a simple, fast, and powerful VPN app. I'll also show you step-by-step how to set it up and customize it to your needs. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Open the Play Store on your Android device and type Stark VPN Reloaded in the search bar. From the search results, tap on the official Stark VPN Reloaded app and then hit the Install button. Once the app is installed, open it. On the app's homepage, you'll notice a large Connect button in the center. At the top, you'll see the Server mode. Make sure it's set to Auto Server. Now below the Connect button, tap Server Location List. Here, you'll find many countries. Choose your preferred one and tap it to set it. Now that the server is selected, just tap the big Connect button. Within seconds, you'll be connected to a secure and fast internet connection. Want more control? Tap the hamburger icon at the top left corner. From the menu, choose Custom Settings. You'll see 3 connection modes: TCP, HTTP, and SSL. Add your desired host, port, or SNI details based on your custom configuration. Then, click the Save button and go back to the home screen to connect. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more VPN guides and free internet tricks, and don't forget to share it with others. Thanks for watching and stay connected with secure internet freedom.